my name is Rachel, and I know I'm talking really fast, but you know what? Listen to me! Now, I have a story to tell you. Yes, I know, a story. Keep your panties on, Nancy Drew. It's only just a smidge. So, the story is about Bocephus. Now, Bocephus, he wasn't like any other person. Well, he wasn't really a person, but he was a bottle. And he was a nice tea bottle. Bocephus' last name was Brisk, and he had a brother, and his brother was named Remus. And he would call Remus like this. Hey, Remus, let's go over here. Okay, I'm here. I'm Remus. Hi. Remus. Yeah. So, Remus, his last name was Brisk too, because Bocephus and Remus are brothers. So, one day, as Remus was walking home from school, boo-de-boo-de-boo, I'm Remus, that's right, I'm Remus. He ran into trouble with the Battery Pack Twins. The Battery Pack Twins were the meanest, most nastiest batteries to ever step foot and talk on this earth. Well, they're the only batteries that can talk and step foot on this earth, but if batteries could, they would be the worst, okay? So back to my story. The Battery Pack Twins, whose names were Pat and Bat, they ran into Remus on Remus's way home from school, and things weren't looking too pleasant on Remus's side. Hello there, Remus. Oh, hi, Pat. Hi, Bat. What are you doing here? We are going to kick your butt, Mr. Man, okay? What? Bocephus! So then, Bocephus came to the rescue, and he kicked the butts of Bat and Pat all the way back to the flashlight container. If you get what I mean. Battery pack container! Woohoo! Come on, a little bit. Yeah. Pat, Bat, where are you? Oh yeah, home run. And to this day, no one has ever questioned batteries again, thanks to Bocephus and Remus's skills in singing and skipping on the way to school. I'm not sure what happened to the Battery Pack Twins. I think they're pretty much dead.